Tired of boring? AI, that doesn't feel real. With Code 27, you're not stuck with generic chatbots or clunky voices anymore. This is the world's most customizable AI companion hub, where you can design any character you want, down to the tiniest detail. Upload your own 3D models or choose from platforms like Vroid and Sketchfab. Pick the look, voice, language, and even personality. Your Cody can see you, hear you, and respond like a real person with natural expressions and emotions. Whether you want to roleplay your favorite anime scene or create a totally original fantasy, Code 27 puts you in control. The AIO6 first turned heads at the ICMA motorcycle show in Milan, and ever since, riders everywhere have been asking for it. But Chaiji doesn't rush perfection. After months of global testing and real-world fine-tuning, the AIO6 is finally here, built to perform with precision, stability, and durability. Choose between the AIO6 Max or LTE, and add accessories like cameras or our quick-release module whenever you're ready. From fixed mounts to BMW-specific bases, every setup fits your style. Got more than one bike? Switch your AIO6 between rides in seconds. Even take it in your car with a new suction mount. Coofo Monitor Arm. Pro tired of wrestling with your monitor every time you adjust it? Meet the Coofo Zero Gravity Monitor Arm Pro, where style meets zero effort movement. Adjust your screen with just one finger thanks to its innovative, patent-pending design. No drooping, no hassle, just precise, rock-solid positioning. The dual mechanical springs keep it slim yet ultra-stable, while the intuitive torque dial lets you fine-tune without tools. Tilt, rotate, raise. It's all effortless. Inspired by Japanese minimalism, it hides your cables and blends right in. Say goodbye to cluttered desks and hello to freedom, comfort, and control. Bleke Up. Ready to ditch the bulky gear and level up your adventures? Meet Bleke Up, your all-in-one sports companion. Capture first-person action with a 120-degree wide-angle lens. Enjoy open-ear music, real-time intercom, and crystal-clear protective lenses, all in one sleek device. No awkward chest cams or clunky mounts. Just wear, tap, and go. AI-powered EIS smooths every bump, while GPT-enhanced 16-megapixel photos make every shot stunning. Record for 5 hours, listen for 48, and autosave highlights with smart AI detection. From hikes to bike rides, fishing to golf, this is the future of outdoor capture. Just click, play, and relive every moment. The HyperCube SE step into a portal of light and sound with the HyperCube SE, our upgraded fusion of math, art, and technology. This sound-reactive, app-enabled LED infinity cube transforms your space with 95 mind-bending patterns and color shifts every 10 seconds. Each edge glows with ultra-dense LEDs, creating a deeper, clearer hyperspace effect through a slimmer frame. Patterns flow endlessly, never repeating the same way twice, syncing seamlessly with up to 256 devices. Whether you're vibing to music or lost in meditation, the HyperCube SE is more than light. It's an experience. ICTK. No space? No problem. Whether you live solo, with roommates, or no fixed home at all, ICTK makes drying your clothes simple, smart, and actually portable. Forget bulky machines and fake compact dryers. ICTK is sleek, lightweight, and fits right into your lifestyle. With AI temperature control, it tailors heat to your fabric, drying fast without damage. It heats up to 75 degrees Celsius in seconds, runs whisper quiet at just 35 decibels, and even freshens your clothes with natural aromatherapy tabs. Small in size, big on performance. ICTK redefines what a smart dryer should be. Arion Thinker. Introducing the Arion Thinker. X400, built for print farms, engineered for professionals. With a massive 400 by 400 by 400 millimeter build volume and blazing speeds up to 500 millimeters per second, it handles large-scale, high-precision projects with ease. The all-metal frame and Core XY design minimize vibration for flawless accuracy, while smart features like auto bed leveling, filament detection, and real-time monitoring keep your workflow smooth. It even supports advanced materials like carbon fiber filaments. Fully enclosed for safety and temperature control, the Thinker X400 isn't just a printer, it's your production powerhouse. Aerofresh. Tired of noisy fans, leaky humidifiers, and clunky purifiers? So were we. The all-in-one solution that keeps your air clean, fresh, and perfectly balanced. With a dual-head fan design and wide-angle rotation, it keeps air flowing evenly. No more hot spots or stuffy corners. Plus, smart humidification and ion purification gently add moisture while clearing dust and allergens from the air. Whether you're working, relaxing, or getting a good night's sleep, Aerofresh runs whisper quiet in the background, making your space healthier and way more comfortable. Alcheman 3D Printer. Meet the Alcheman 3D Printer, built to push the boundaries of what's possible in industrial 3D printing. Engineered for precision, durability, and elite performance, it handles specialty filaments like PEEK and PEI with ease, delivering lightweight, ultra-strong parts for aerospace, automotive, and manufacturing needs. Thousands of hours of testing have fine-tuned this machine to perfection, offering seamless operation and razor-sharp detail, even during long prints. Whether you're prototyping or producing, Alcheman delivers reliability you can trust and performance you can feel. It's not just a printer, it's industrial power at your fingertips. CarryDisk, the world's smallest, fastest portable SSD. Weighing just 10 grams, it delivers blazing 10 gigabits per second transfer speeds with up to 2 terabytes of storage, all in a sleek aluminum design that fits in the palm of your hand. Powered by the ultra-stable JMS 583 chip, it handles everything from 4K movies to massive project files without breaking a sweat. No overheating, no lag, just pure, reliable performance. Shockproof, heat-resistant, and ready for anything from mountain trails to music festivals. CarryDisk is built for creators, adventurers, and anyone who refuses to slow down. 10 chairs. Light. Say goodbye to wobbly tripods and bulky gear. 10 Chairs Lite is here to change the way you capture your world. With a patented ultra-compact design that extends up to 1.6 meters, it offers rock-solid stability even on sand, rocks, or grassy hills. Whether you're a content creator, traveler, or just love snapping life's moments, this lightweight support system keeps up with you, anywhere, anytime. Compatible with all smartphones and soon expandable with cool accessories through stretch goals. 10 chairs. Light is more than a tripod. It's your creative wingman on the go. Booster TF64 A1, a beast of a blower with a 64mm high-power turbofan motor, hitting an insane 50,000 RPM and delivering 1.2 kilograms of thrust. Whether it's drying your vehicle, clearing water, or blasting out debris, this is raw power in your hands. With a 5,000 milliamp-hour battery and up to 30 minutes of runtime, the TF64 handles long jobs without breaking a sweat. 3 speed modes let you control the airflow with a single click, from gentle breeze to full throttle force. Compact, tough, and LED lit, the TF64 is cleaning, supercharged. Fanbat. Say hello to Fanbat, your sleek 2-in-1 outdoor essential. It's a powerful handheld fan and an emergency power bank, all in one minimalist, handleless design. With a 5,200 milliamp-hour battery, enjoy hours of cool comfort and even charge your phone, earbuds, or smartwatch on the go. Choose from 3 adjustable speeds, powered by a fast-charging Type-C port, and stay refreshed wherever life takes you. Music festivals, hiking trails, city strolls. Lightweight, glossy, and ultra-portable. Fanbat keeps you cool and connected anytime, anywhere. Gouvis Art. Step into the future of visual immersion with the Gouvis Art, an ultra-wide head-mounted display that puts a massive 110-inch screen just 4 meters in front of your eyes. Weighing only 110 grams, it's foldable, portable, and perfect for life on the go. Whether you're gaming, flying a drone, watching 3D movies, or just multitasking, Gouvis Art transforms your viewing experience across devices, from smartphones to consoles. With modes for focus, relaxation, and productivity, and a super wide peripheral view, it's not just a headset, it's your personal cinema, anywhere you go. Instax Pal say hello to the Instax Pal, the tiny 4.9 megapixel digital camera that's all about big fun in a super small size. Snap cute pics, trigger it remotely, and enjoy playful sounds and lights that add to its charm. It pairs with the Pal app and MiniLink 2 printer to turn digital moments into real printed memories. Is it for pro photographers? Nope. But if you're into fun, smiles, and adorable vibes, it's perfect. At $200 for the bundle, it's a holiday splurge worth considering for casual snappers, parents, or that one friend who loves all things kawaii.